What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sway. Welcome back to another fucking video. I'm happy as hell to be back on the camera. It's been a minute and a half, bro. No bullshit. But I'm glad to be back. And I'm getting a call real quick. 1 sec. Anyway, guys, where was I before I was rudely interrupted by my father? No, I'm just joking. But anyway, guys, so today, as y'all can see, we're in the Scat pack. I know y'all missed her. We're currently at 6,200 miles. I just got an oil change the other day too. I didn't vlog any of it though, but who the fuck wants to see that? I'm pulling up to a Dodge dealership actually right now. Or I'm gonna see how much they would give me for it if I traded it in. Not saying I'm going to, but I just wanted to see how much they are giving for it because prices right now are insanely high. Many of you don't know, I have a used car dealership here in Springfield, Mass. And I go to the auction every Wednesday, and the prices at auction are literally over retail price right now. What the hell is this nigga doing? Hurry up. But yeah, prices are crazy high right now. So if they give me what I paid for a year ago, I'm selling this bitch. I'm sorry. But if they give me exactly what I paid for, that'd be dumb if I didn't sell this thing. But we're pulling up here. All right, guys, so they just gave me the appraisal for my Scat pack. And this is actually the Jeep that I was looking at today. What y'all think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. These are the new Wranglers with the hybrid system on it. You can connect it right there. This is a 2021 Wrangler 4Xe with the hybrid system in it. Pumps out 375 horsepower out of this bad boy. So it has an electric motor and a gas powered motor. And I really like this thing. What you guys think if the Wrangler replaced the Scat pack? I know it's a crazy switch, but honestly, I live in New England. This would make more sense, and it's also the plug-in hybrid, which I mean, it's cool. I don't really mind it, but it actually gives that extra power. I think it gives like 100 horsepower just off the electric, the battery. What you guys think about this? You can do so much things to these things too. So let me know, guys, in the comments. They're gonna let me know tomorrow. I think that thing looks pretty cool. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. At first they said they could give us 45. At first they said 50,000, and then they came back and said 45,000 to 46,000. But they're gonna let me know tomorrow and let me know exactly how much they're gonna be able to give me for it, and then see how much they can lower on this Wrangler. But all right, guys, I can't believe I'm fucking saying this, but we're starting a new chapter on the channel, guys. The Scat pack is leaving us. It's crazy. Last year I bought the Scat pack for my birthday, and now this year I'm buying a new vehicle too for my birthday. You feel me? Every birthday I'm buying a new car, bitch. I'm getting a new car once a year, ho. Can't believe I'm saying this, guys, but the Scat is gone. What? She's out of here. She's leaving me. But it's okay, guys. You think this is it? You think this is the only freaking fast car I'm gonna get? Hell no. The new one, the new Rubicon. It ain't no regular Rubicon though. It's a hybrid. Hey guys, she's gone. Let me roll the window down real quick. Look at her. It's over. She's so beautiful. It's all good though. I'm gonna get a Hellcat next. Watch. What's good, guys? So it's my birthday tomorrow, and since y'all seen earlier in the video, I got myself a little gift. Went ahead and got the Wrangler 2021 the 4xe, I think they call it. Look at that shit, brand new 2021, 110 miles on that bitch. We're on our way to New York right now. About to turn up tonight for my birthday. Turning 24. May 30th is my birthday, actually, to be exact. But let me show y'all the whip real quick. The new 2021 4xe hybrid type shit, EV. Look at that. Woo. Look at that. Yes, sir. I'm walking. Why is that home? That's some shit you see over there. All right, guys. So we made it safe to New York. You feel? We're in an Uber right now, about to go out. God damn, folks. A roller coaster in this bitch. You feel? But anyway, we in an Uber, about to go to the club, about to turn up. EV. Look at that motherfucking view, cuz. That shit nice, man. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope y'all like that upload right there. I'm sorry for everyone that loved the Scat. She's gone now. I loved her. I used her for a year. It was fun, but I wanted to change it up. The Wrangler is also a really dope vehicle too, so I can't wait to have fun with that thing. And stay tuned for the next video, because the next video I already did something to the Wrangler. I want to show y'all. Y'all can see the Wranglers right there, but I already made the first modification to the Wrangler. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'm just glad to be back. It's been way too long. I took like 3 months or 2 months with no fucking posting or nothing, so I'm sorry for that. But I got 2 videos coming out within a few days after this one, so make sure y'all turn your post notifications. Make sure you hit that like button, and just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next on the video, on the channel. What other cars you want me to possibly get. I want to build something now too, a little toy car on the side, like something fast, fun. So put them in the comments down below what y'all think I should get. Nothing too expensive, guys. Don't go crazy. Probably nothing above, let's say something under 20 G's. All right, so under 20,000 in the comments down below right now. Let me know what we can get that we can build up, make fast as hell, that can go with the Jeep. But thanks for the support, guys. Let's get it. Let's go.